you for everyone. My name is Rafael. I'm the business manager for Positivo Casa Inteligente. That's a Brazilian brand for smart home. Firstly, I'd like to share a little bit about our company, who is Positivo, what job we made in Brazil, and how we create together with Tuya, and how we make a different app to bring exclusive experience in Brazil and can be also a share for another countries as well. Firstly, about the company, Positivo is a solid group in Brazil. It's a company with more than 35 years. We have a very good experience to develop products, develop solutions. We are strong in notebooks, tablets, and very different kinds of products. As you can see, we have a different solutions here and also different brands. We started 30 years ago with notebooks, and now we are leading in Brazil as notebooks as well for the firstly Brazilian company that makes more than 30 years ago. So we have also the Casa Inteligente, that means smart home. So we bring the smart home 5 years ago with Tuya to Brazil, and we bring an exclusive experience now. We also have payment machines. We started some years ago a project to bring payment machines. That's a completely exclusive project. We have some government projects. We have also projects related to the security, Positivo Segurança. And it's a solid group that allows us to bring exclusive experiences for the smart home. So the smart home, what we did in the past 5 years together with Tuya, 2019 we started with Tuya. We created together, we launched in Brazil a lot of different solutions. As we can see here, we started with the white label app. That is an amazing app and it's a solution that can you launch faster a solution in Brazil. We started with 10 products with Tuya. It was a great experience at that moment. 1 year later, what we did, we reached 100,000 of users. We have more than 15 products as well. We reached cameras, lighting solutions. And 2021, we decided to create something different. We decided to make a different experience for the end user in Brazil. So the best point of this was understanding what the Brazilian public wants. So what we decided to do is the beta experience. With the beta experience was possible to understanding the Brazilian public to bring our own app to the Brazil. So we still continue launching new products. We reached 20 products around 2021. And in 2022, we launched our own app. So what basically is our app? We bring the SDK solution with Tuya. So the base of the app is based on Tuya solution, but we created a completely new experience with new functions, with a lot of new features, working together with Tuya engineering team and all the solutions that Tuya already provided. But we create something very dedicated to Brazilian public, in understanding that smart home is a merge between hardware and software. Then we reached 20 products, 22 more than 25. We enter also in some new categories like door locks, vacuum cleaning robots. So 2023, we also reached the number of 1 million of users in Brazil. It's a nice number for us. I can share later about a little bit more about experiences also. More than 30 products. And last year, 2024, we have reached 1.7 million of users and a lot of features that was released and almost 40 products. Here is just an idea of the categories that we make it together with Tuya. We have the lighting solution, automation, the appliances with the robot vacuum cleaning, the pet feeder, door locks, cameras, and the routers. Here, just an example of what can we do together with the partnership of Tuya, the Smart Cloud. We launched it together with Tuya, all the service for Smart Cloud for all the cameras. So it's very possible. Also the new integrations, for example, routers. It's some kind of product that is not on the Tuya. We're using some solutions outside of Tuya. We can integrate in our app. Here about the experience of our users. As I told you in 2020, we can see here about the NPS of our base. We started with NPS, it's Net Promoter Score. We started with 80 of NPS, and after here our base understanding what features, everything that we can do together with Tuya, and also adding new features. We were increasing our NPS. In the last research, we reached 61. So this is also a learning of the new products, new features, but of course, fixing all the things that we can do together with Tuya and doing by ourselves also. Here also, what can we do? It's about the redesigning screens. We can hear our base of users and understand which screen is not so clear for a determined public. For example, we are in Brazil, so I can understand what it's better to do in Brazil. Maybe we can understand what can we do in another country. So for example, for the lighting solution, we can do something very specific for the robots. As you can see here, we have the mapping of the robot. We made it together with Tuya, but we also hear our database of users and changing what we can do here. So the experience of our app is completely different. And of course, we can see the results. It's basically the score of the app. We have more than 500,000 of users already using our app, and the score is 4.7, even in Android and also in iOS. So we increased it a lot, the score doing it. Just talking a little bit about the future, what we plan. Of course, we plan to bring a lot of new products, new features according that Alex said about the AI, a lot of things. But the first thing that we can do here is continue listening our database, hearing our users to bring a very clear solution. For example, simple solutions like dark mode, accessibility to reach a new kinds of public as well, circadian circle implementation. We can hear a lot of things that the users already ask for us, changing this experience with Tuya, working together with their engineers, and also work with our engineers to create and share and continue bringing more users to sell more products and keep the NPS and the satisfaction in a higher level. Thanks, everyone.